Hello, my name is Angelica Cortez, and I'm going to be sharing with you my personal thoughts and my experiences with faith, scholarship, and community while at Notre Dame High School. First, I will be giving you all a brief background on myself and how I've been involved at Notre Dame High School. Next, I'll be talking about my faith life and how it's evolved and grown during my time here. Then, I'll be talking about how I've challenged myself academically and grown as a student, and of course, community, how I've helped my community while at Notre Dame, and how I plan to continue helping in the future. And of course, my plans for the future, what's next for me. A little bit about myself. I have a younger brother named Gabriel, a dog named Boo Boo. I love to volunteer and I love helping people in whatever way I can. I like business, I like the sciences, and I love being creative. I'm creative in whatever ways I can, whether it's by painting or playing the piano or singing along to it. I love being creative. While at Notre Dame, I've been really lucky to be a part of so many different extracurriculars, like ASB, peer ministry, softball, and other clubs as well. From a young age, I knew I wanted to make God a priority in my life. I remember my freshman year, Mr. Avila invited me to go to an XLT along with the other peer ministers. I was the only freshman, but I felt a feeling of belonging. I originally wanted to attend a public school, but I'm so glad I decided not to. No other school could provide me with the faith-based opportunities Notre Dame has been able to give me. I remember my favorite part of every single week was going to adoration. Even though I was the only student there, it was one of the best memories I have at Notre Dame. When my sophomore year rolled around, I became a peer minister, and I helped begin the new tradition of the Passion of Christ play. My junior year, I continued being a peer minister, and I was able to share my testimony with all of my friends and peer ministers. Senior year, I'm now a senior peer minister, and my time at Notre Dame is coming to an end. I with confidence can say that my faith has grown and has evolved throughout the years in so many different and significant ways. I'm very glad that Notre Dame is a school that values its Catholic traditions, and I'm so proud to be Catholic. Learning has always been extremely important to me, whether that be academically or just something I could apply to my real life. I love to learn something new every day. Oftentimes in academics, I found myself working harder than my peers. For many of them, it was easy. They didn't have to study and they would ace a test. I, however, was not like that. I'd stay up hours on end studying to make sure I did well on a test and still not do good on it. It took me a while to understand, but I learned that not being a good test taker does not define your academic level. However, I rose above and I did everything in my power to get the best grades possible. My junior year, I was faced with a challenge. I was not able to take all 3 of my AP tests. I was devastated. I thought I wasn't going to be able to get into college, and I wouldn't succeed in life. As difficult as the situation was, I decided to take a class at Riverside Community College in which I discovered my true love of business. Throughout my 4 years of high school, I've taken 5 AP classes, 6 honors classes, and done everything I can to challenge myself academically. Each of these classes have been very significant in my life and have taught me one thing or another. For example, my consumer math and economics course taught me how to budget and plan for the future. My Spanish class taught me more about my own culture and language, and my speech class taught me how to improve my public speaking skills. In my freshman year media literacy class, I was able to innovate and create a Shark Tank project that I would later present to teachers and upperclassmen. My AP Bio and Honors Anatomy class allowed me to engage myself more into the sciences by doing labs and dissections often. However, the similarity between this class and every single other one of my classes was that they helped me grow. They helped me grow as a student, as a person, and as a leader. The community at Notre Dame is one of the best things it has to offer. I've done everything possible to stay as involved as I can in my Notre Dame community, whether that be by joining ASB, peer ministry, softball, or a bunch of other clubs and extracurriculars. While I've been at Notre Dame, it's done so much for me, and I felt the need to give back. I wanted to make a mark on my school, leave a legacy for myself, whether that was helping create Good Morning Sinners episodes for my peer ministry class, or helping start the Passion of Christ play, or staying until 10 p.m. sometimes to decorate the halls for the Spirit Day the next day. I loved every second of it. Looking back at my social science classes, I realized how much I really learned about the world. That there are people that continue to suffer every single day, whether it's by corrupt governments, poverty, or even terminal illnesses that affect them in their daily lives. I knew that I had to give back. As great as my memories were at Notre Dame, and as much fun as I had, I never forgot about the people that truly suffered every single day. I have done everything possible to give back to my community in whatever way I can. I volunteered with the Riverside Chamber of Commerce, Riverside Community Hospital, the El Protector Soccer Clinic, and many other organizations here in Riverside. I was also really lucky to be part of something really special known as Students of the Year campaign with the Leukemia Lymphoma Society, where I was able to help raise over $60,000 for blood cancer patients. Last summer, at the peak of quarantine, I decided to open my own small business, selling custom paintings to customers across the country. I donated 10% of my profits to a different charity every month. And of course, my Sue Talk. A Sue Talk is basically like a TED Talk, but for women. I was the second girl under the age of 18 to complete this talk, and it was so special to me because I was able to inspire so many young women who may not have that confidence to take that first step. Based on what I've seen in all of my social science classes, there's a lot of change that needs to be done in this world, and I want to be that change. I want to continue serving my community in whatever way possible, just as I have these past 4 years. Not only do I plan to continue volunteering and donating to as many causes as possible, but I want to have a job in the future where I'm able to help people and make a difference in lives. A couple months ago, I, along with many other students, were asked to do an interview about Notre Dame. One of the questions that we were asked was, what's one word that describes Notre Dame? Every single person's answer was family. My time at Notre Dame has been so special. I've made so many memories and so many friends in such a short time, and I know that I'm going to be able to keep these friendships for the rest of my life. My plans for the future. I'm so happy to say that I'll be attending Chapman University in the fall with a double major with business administration and psychology. I hope in college I'm able to continue to be just as involved as I was at Notre Dame, if not more. I hope to also continue to grow my faith more and more, even though it's not a Catholic university. Just recently, I was offered a paid internship with Connected Women of Influence, where I'll be able to create more networking connections, learn more about the world of business, and really discover what's right for me. As for my plans past my bachelor's degree, I hope to continue and get my master's degree and potentially get a job within business administration and marketing, where I'm able to express my creativity and help others in as many ways as possible. I am so grateful to have been part of the Notre Dame community and hope that I've made a good impact on my school. I hope that I'll be able to continue to make an impact on so many lives in the future, as this is just the beginning for me. I have big goals and big dreams, and Notre Dame has been able to push me towards them. Although there is so much left to say about this community, the last thing I have to say is thank you. Thank you for the memories, for the love, and for the opportunities Notre Dame. Thank you for the friends and family I've created. Thank you for a home.